We're sprucing up a ski chalet on the Niagara Escarpment. Demolition is done, and now we've got to put everything back together before ski season. Because this is a winter use place, I think this balcony is a total waste.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody's ever going out there. And so what I was thinking is change this door into a window. Then we end up with this wall becomes basically double awning windows. The bed can go right in front, and then we could install storage on the wall that currently has the bed.
Perfect.
Easy?
Yep.
Looks to me like the doors are out and they've made preparations to install a new window. What else are we going to discover? I'm Sarah, and every day my life revolves around design, and I'm sharing it with you. Today is another chapter in my design life. You may remember I wasn't crazy about these stairs. This makes me happy. This was the problem. I need a solution for this.
Yes.
Because I feel like there's a lot of wasted space.
Definitely is. 20 inches.
20 inches.
Yeah.
So nearly 2 feet of space that we could actually give back to the living room, give to the dining room, and give to the kitchen, I think is super important.
Well, we could put 2 more posts like these directly in front of these and have another beam like this one span the distance. And it could even continue right to the end over there.
Yeah.
And help us with our filling in on that end as well, because that's another huge waste of space.
This is great. We can add some more floor up top, but we're gonna make sure there's still headroom down below. Can I clear here? Or do I clear here? Like at the very least, can we come to this point?
You could.
Can you not?
It's pretty close. Oh, yeah.
Why don't we play limbo? Why don't I get a board? Grab me that broom handle.
Sure.
This is how we figure stuff out on the fly. Okay, Chris, what if it was at this height? Limbo.
I mean,
limbo, Chris, limbo.
I could, but anybody taller than me is going to be...
Okay, how about here?
I don't need the limbo.
You're not limbo.
I don't need the limbo there.
Okay, so we can get 14 or 16 inches.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, well that's worth it.
And at that end, it's 2 feet.
That's amazing.
That's huge.
We had all that wasted space upstairs, and I can see that Chris has already framed this in, so it looks like we're gonna be able to get more floor space upstairs, but we still have tons of headroom here on the stairs. That is good. You guys have been busy, and I just realized something. Everything's gone.
It is gone.
Oh my gosh. It looks so much better and so much bigger. It's like brand new windows.
I wonder if these actually come out.
After mulling it over, we decided to pull the mullions in favor of a more contemporary look.
Yes, and the floors, what do you think?
So I was worried about these floors. Here's the deal with the floors.
It turns out, if you can see over here, it's 1.25 inch solid pine that's sitting on top of the posts and the floor joists.
Wow.
So, fingers crossed, but if we remove the carpet and underpad and this 1/4 inch hardboard, we may have a beautiful floor just waiting.
That we could just stain.
Sand and stain. Yeah.
Nice. Seeing them now that you've actually taken all the covering off them, I think we choose some grade stain for them, and I think we leave them as is.
Yes.
Right? Do you like that idea? I mean,
I love it.
I think they've got such good character, and this is 450 square feet, 500 square feet.
Saving
it's
lots
at least a $5,000 savings.
Oh, for sure.
More like a 10, like this is a really significant savings. Fill it, sand it, stain it, finish it, leave it as is. Yes, they're rustic. Yes, there's holes in them, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put down a 10 by 14 rug here and a 9 by 12 rug there.
And there's gonna be couches.
There's gonna be furniture. You're only gonna have a perimeter of hardwood. So you guys have filled this with plywood, but do you think we could fill it with some boards instead?
Yeah, and actually we still have some more of the old railing left, and that's what I was gonna use over on that side to fill also, so we could just pull these up and fill them there.
Tell me where this railing is gonna go now.
2 feet closer than this. We're right up on the outside.
Right against here.
Yeah.
Chris, that is mega major. Think about how cramped this felt before. This is huge now.
And this used to be over there, so it was very narrow. You could almost put it back if you wanted.
I know, you almost could put it back. Although that's not really like me to put things back where they started. I kind of feel the need to move them around, so maybe we can put it somewhere else. After all, this series is called Design Life, not Don't Go Changing. I feel like a big piece of furniture could be great, but I sort of feel like it's a low piece of furniture. I kind of feel like it would be great if this functioned like a bar.
It's a radiator there.
But there's a rad right there, did you say? A bar with a rad, so that your vodka, your gin, your wine is all toasty. I don't like the rad being there, Chris.
It'll be a warm bar.
That's not what I had in mind. So we could put a bar on this side. We could skip the glass, and you could install a bar here.
That's, wow.
Would that be cool?
That would be cool. That would be cool.
I don't know. Maybe worth thinking about.
We will shortly have flooring in here.
And we can think about it.
And then you could make a better decision.
Okay, kitchen. We're going to increase this window. It's happening as we speak. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Taking out that beam is a major improvement for the kitchen.
Yeah, having a window you don't have to bend down to look out is great.
This beam wasn't structural, which means we can take it out. And that gives us a lot more options for kitchen design. And that means I need to come up with a kitchen design. Powder room. This used to be a little powder room. And then Chris took out a wall so we could make it big and add a bathtub. Okay, and now I'm gonna walk through walls. So this is a vanity mock-up?
It is.
This is so you can prove your point that this is where the vanity should go?
Pretty much.
Pretty much, okay. All right.
I think it's a perfect fit. That's a 60-inch vanity right there.
I know, but we could have an 8-foot vanity if it went over here.
Neil and Jody are both tall, and this beam would mean the mirror would have to be below that.
Couldn't you still see if the mirror was right there?
I could, but we still have the heated floor and tile, which is going to raise it up even higher. And to be more cost effective, plumbing and power outlets, everything are already there conveniently, including vanity light.
A vanity light, because you know, Chris, there's nothing I love more than a vanity light centered above the mirror. Hello? Hello? No.
You have options.
And just for your discussion that you're making right now, you're trying to tell me that that beam is too low, but the light is already there, which means what? Isn't that mirror going to be at the same height as this?
The mirror could go up to there.
I see. Okay.
Instead of under it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I'm happy to think about this. I really like your suggestive framing. I'm just going to build a box and show you. If you can just imagine. No, I mean, it's not a bad plan at all. This plan offers a 5-foot vanity, which is great.
Yeah.
You've got lots of room for hooks and towel storage and everything across here. We could even put some sort of linen tower back here. We've got the toilet, much better. And this is a much bigger, better shower. I just have one question. Talk to me about this niche.
So,
I feel like you've been doing some planning and this has been, Sarah's been really busy and unavailable, so Chris has been doing the design. So over to you.
mixing valve,
Yes,
plumbing runs up here and out wherever you like.
but do we need the niche to be so big? Like what's going in that niche?
Big bottles of shampoo.
82 bottles of shampoo.
Well, no. Okay, so I framed this to the post.
Okay.
It was there.
Yeah.
And then I just made it equal.
Okay.
It could narrow, but just remember it's gonna be 3/4 jam all the way around. So it's 1.5 inches we're gonna lose all around already. It looks really big right now. It'll look a lot smaller once there's
That's
we
still-
can make it as small as you
Okay,
like.
that's still, I need to go on record and say, I feel like that's like the largest shampoo niche I've seen.
Costco shampoo is pretty big.
Bulk shampoo. So the other thing is, just so you know, I always think about a sight line when you're walking into a room. So now what we have as the sight line from walking into this beautiful principal bathroom, look at my giant shampoo bottles. Is there another place for that niche, or is that the only
It
place?
cannot go on this wall. It's full of rigid insulation.
Okay.
That's outside wall, so not really.
Okay.
There, or we could just make a ledge instead.
Yeah. Okay, we can talk about it. No, I mean, it's a clever idea. I just wondered if you were, putting a television in there or something, because that's what it looks framed up for. They do have those shower TVs.
So one more thing I wanted to show you on the flooring.
Yeah.
In here, we've discovered it switches direction.
In the principal bedroom, it goes both ways. Oh my gosh, I'm turning into Tommy. So a king size bed is 80 inches. It's gonna sit in front of that post anyway. So we're only, say, 12 inches off the end of the bed. We're definitely gonna be putting a rug down on top of this. So what you might see is a pathway. You might notice down the side that there's a change in the direction. Right. Personally, it's not all higgledy-piggledy all over the place. I feel like it's perfectly aligned in the middle of the room. I say this is the rustic, the charm, the character. Keep it, embrace it, love it. Don't worry about it.
I agree.
Okay, and you guys have framed this up.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna miss this door at all.
No, or that balcony that was not very safe.
That balcony was not very safe?
No, we didn't want to stand two people on it at the same time.
Really?
It was.
So if Juliet was on the balcony and Romeo was down below, you better hope.
Romeo better not be under it.
Right. Or you better be ready to catch her.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, I can really feel it now, hey?
Yeah.
Everything's coming together. The only thing I'm wondering is, why is this ottoman still here? I thought I gave it the boot.